Okay, hello my friend, and how are you doing? And today I am planning to tell you very interesting secret. And the secret is that why we have these yellow labels in this Toyota's timing belt. And what is this purpose? And now there is one, two, and in that bottom area there is also one of these markings in here. And what is this secret of this Toyota's yellow timing chain marks? And this is so amazing and so interesting that only Toyota use these yellow marks in this timing chain. Okay, and next I will show that what is the purpose of that, and also I like to show that what is this Toyota's top dead center position. And now I am talking this Toyota's 1.8 liter VVTi engine, what is made in USA, and this is the most common, or actually very common engine in USA and also in Europe. Okay, and then we continue. Okay, and first thing what we need to do is that when we are thinking that what is this yellow marks position, we have to set up these camshafts. This is intake camshaft and this is exhaust. And there are small marks in here what we have to match, and let's go to look those closer because they are very important. And we have to install this our camshaft in that kind of position. But there is this letter E like exhaust, and then this small dot in here, look, small dot, and then I need a little bit light, and then in same time when we have this intake camshaft, there's small dot in here, look, hole in here, look, and those two dots must be in same plane as that cylinder head, this area, that area, same plane, look. And I install. Now we can see that they are in same level. I take even better view. That we can see that in that plane, and now they are just in that dot and that dot. This is the first task what we need to do when we are planning to install this timing belt back. And if we are checking that is this our Toyota's timing okay, first we need to do that. And how we can do that? There is this my wrench in here, and there is that small positions in here that we can move that our camshafts in right position, look. And then when we have installed that, then we can install these yellow marks, and this is the next step. And that yellow mark in here, it is in timing belt, it goes in that dot, look, there's small dot, and in that intake camshaft there is big line in here, and then that yellow label goes in there, and that yellow label goes in here. And this is this second step, and of course in that point we have to check that these our camshaft heads in the cylinder one, they are like looking up or a little bit more up. If they are looking down in here, then we have to rotate this. But this is the first cylinder, and these things must be in here. And then of course in same step, and when we look in that spark plug hole, now I don't have this spark plug, and then we can check that if we have pencil like that length, that our piston is in up position. This is the third step. The piston must be up and only in cylinder 1. And if it is not in up, then we need to rotate that our engine so that it is up. Okay, and then when we have those two markings in there, then we look at third yellow markings. What is in here? Oh, sorry for that. And here we have then this third markings, and now I take that part away because this is the fifth check. And now when we look in here, we can see that that timing chain what came from in here, and there is this rail what we can open. There is one bolt and second bolt. That yellow label in here, it must be in just in that dot position. Look, there's a small dot in here, only one dot in that sprocket and wheel, no any dot. And this is fourth check, that timing chain yellow part must be in that position. And then of course, because now we are working with Toyota car, there is a lot of these extra things what Toyota has been made, and that's Toyota is the most best and easiest car to service and repair. Then there is small dot in here, look, in that cylinder block, and then that camshaft, this dent what is in here, it must be in same plane in here. This is the sixth check and this inspection part. And then of course we have the final part is this sensor wheel, and that, look, there is this F like maybe fast, I don't know what is this, or front, and that there is dent in here and it goes directly in that hole. And then this F must be in that, and I'm a little bit installed that deeper. Now it must be in that position. And now when we have all of these things in that position in here, then we can be 100 sure and guaranteed that now our timing is right and okay. And if any of these things is in wrong, like that yellow label is in here, then we need to rotate that crankshaft in right position. Timing is everything. Okay. And then also look that this F like fast is in here, and this is my information, and thank you for watching and have a nice Toyota car repairs.